Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about the greatest belief of the Chinese people, world peace. On Tiananmen Gate in Beijing, it says, "Long live the People's Republic of China. Long live the great unity of the peoples of the world." This isn't just a national slogan. It represents China's deepest wish for humanity. Many people place small national flag ornaments in their cars. They're more than decorations. They symbolize friendship between nations and a hope for peace. Countries standing side by side, moving forward together. The marching troops are precise and strong. This strength isn't meant to threaten anyone. It's meant to protect, to guard the homeland, and to uphold peace. But we also know that in parts of the world, war still rages. Cities are destroyed, families are torn apart, and children lose their laughter. Music gives voice to this pain. Beyond calls for peace in their songs, using the word amani from Africa to remind everyone that war has no winners. Jay Chou in The Scars of War shows the sorrow and helplessness that war brings, reminding us that stopping war is a hope shared by all. The nation's belief and the people's call come together as one message, world peace. So the greatest belief of the Chinese people isn't conquest or expansion. It's simple but profound, a safe homeland, harmony at home, and peace for the world.